Doner Kebab, the king of street food, juicy meat, flavorful sauce, fluffy bread, so tempting. But what if we could make it at home? Imagine the aroma filling your kitchen. Picture yourself slicing tender meat onto warm flatbreads. It's easier than you think. Let's embark on this delicious journey together. Today, we unlock the secrets of this Turkish delight. Don't worry, it's simple. Just follow my lead and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Get ready for a taste sensation. Our Doner Kebab adventure begins with a treasure trove of ingredients. Each one plays a vital role in creating the symphony of flavors. First, the star thinly sliced lamb or chicken. I prefer a mix for richness and texture. Next, yogurt, lemon juice, and garlic form the base of our marinade, tenderizing the meat and infusing it with tangy goodness. Spices are key. We'll use a mix of paprika, cumin, oregano, and a touch of chili for warmth. Don't forget olive oil for richness and a pinch of salt and pepper to enhance all those lovely flavors. The magic begins with the marinade. It's the secret to incredibly flavorful and succulent Doner Kebab. In a large bowl, combine the yogurt, lemon juice, garlic, spices, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Mix it well. Now, add your thinly sliced meat. Make sure each piece is coated generously with the marinade. Cover the bowl with cling film and let it rest in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. This allows the flavors to penetrate the meat, resulting in a truly melt-in-your-mouth experience. Now for the main event, cooking the meat. This is where all the preparation pays off and the magic happens. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, the method you choose can make a big difference in the final taste and texture of your dish. We have 3 options: grill, oven, or skillet. Each method brings its own unique flavor and texture to the meat, allowing you to experiment and find what suits your palate best. Each method yields delicious results, so choose your favorite. Whether you prefer the smoky flavor from the grill, the even cooking of the oven, or the quick and crispy results from the skillet, there's something for everyone. For grilling, thread the marinated meat onto skewers and grill over medium heat, turning occasionally for about 10 minutes until cooked through. The grill imparts a wonderful smoky flavor and those beautiful char marks that make the meat look as good as it tastes. For the oven, spread the meat on a baking sheet and roast in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for 15 to 20 minutes, flipping halfway through. This method ensures even cooking and is perfect for those who prefer a hands-off approach. For the skillet, heat some oil in a skillet over medium heat and cook the meat in batches for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring frequently until golden brown and cooked through. The skillet method is quick and gives the meat a nice crispy exterior while keeping it juicy inside. No matter your chosen method, ensure the meat is cooked to perfection, juicy on the inside and slightly crispy on the outside. Remember, the key to great meat is not just in the cooking method, but also in the quality of the meat and the care you take in preparing it. Enjoy your delicious creation. Section 5. Vegetable delights and saucy sensations. While our meat cooks to perfection, let's prepare the supporting cast vibrant vegetables and a creamy sauce. These elements will not only add color to our dish, but also enhance the overall flavor profile, making each bite a delightful experience. For the vegetables, thinly slice some red onion. The sharpness of the red onion will provide a nice contrast to the richness of the meat. Next, chop some crisp lettuce and juicy tomatoes. These will add a refreshing crunch and a burst of freshness to our dish. Feel free to add other favorites like cucumbers. Their cool, crisp texture will balance the flavors beautifully, or pickled chilies for an extra kick. The tanginess and heat from the pickled chilies will elevate the dish to a new level of deliciousness. Now let's move on to the sauce. Combine Greek yogurt, which will serve as the creamy base, with minced garlic for a bit of pungency and lemon juice for a zesty tang. Add a drizzle of olive oil to bring everything together and add a touch of richness. Season with salt and pepper to taste. These basic seasonings will enhance the flavors without overpowering them. Finally, add a pinch of dried mint for a refreshing touch. The mint will add a subtle, aromatic note that complements the other ingredients perfectly. These fresh and flavorful accompaniments will complement the savory meat and add a delightful crunch to every bite. The combination of textures and flavors will make this dish a standout, ensuring that every mouthful is a memorable one. Section 6. Building the Doner Dream Assembly Instructions. This is where all our preparation comes together to create a delicious and satisfying meal. The moment we've all been waiting for, assembling our Doner Kebab masterpiece. It's time to bring all those flavors and textures together. Warm your flatbread slightly. I prefer to grill them for a minute on each side for a smoky flavor. You can also warm them on a stovetop if you prefer a softer texture. Now, spread a generous spoonful of our creamy yogurt sauce on the flatbread. This sauce adds a tangy and refreshing element that complements the rich meat perfectly. Layer on the succulent meat, fresh vegetables, and any other toppings you love. The key is to balance the flavors and textures. Add a sprinkle of crumbled feta cheese if you like. The feta adds a salty, creamy bite that enhances the overall taste. Don't be shy, be generous with the fillings. The more, the better. This is what makes your doner kebab hearty and satisfying. Now carefully roll the flatbread into a tight cylinder, tucking in the sides as you go. This ensures that all the delicious fillings stay inside. And there you have it. A beautiful homemade doner kebab ready to be devoured. Enjoy the fruits of your labor and savor every bite of this flavorful creation. Section 7. Presentation prowess. Serving with panache. We eat with our eyes first, so let's present our doner kebab with flair. Slice the rolled kebab in half or into smaller pieces for easier eating. Arrange them on a platter alongside bowls of extra yogurt sauce, vegetables, and a sprinkle of fresh herbs for a pop of color. For a casual gathering, serve the kebabs as they are. For a more formal affair, you can plate them individually with a side of salad or fries. Remember, presentation is a form of love. Let your creativity shine. Section 8. Flavor Fiesta, Taste Test and Final Touches. The moment of truth has arrived. Take a bite and let the flavors transport you to the bustling streets of Turkey. The tender, flavorful meat, the cool yogurt sauce, the crisp vegetables, and the soft flatbread all come together in perfect harmony. If you're feeling adventurous, experiment with different toppings like hummus, hot sauce, or pickled peppers. The possibilities are endless. Section 9. Conclusion. Doner delight, homemade and heavenly. There you have it. Homemade doner kebab that rivals the best street food vendors. It's easier than you thought, right? Now you can enjoy this Turkish delight anytime you crave it, without even leaving your home. So gather your ingredients, put on your apron, and embark on this culinary adventure. I promise, the results will be worth it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this doner kebab recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious recipes, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tasty bite. See you in the next one. Happy cooking!